Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our video. ITV Aschaffenburg presents Intercultural Competence in my university, Eiden University. So now we are looking for some interview partners. Let's go. This guy looks serious.
Do we have some seconds for us that we can ask you some questions? Yeah. We have a project and we need to ask you some questions for a project in Germany.
Is it for you a problem that this will shown in Germany? All right.
So our first question is, how would you define culture?
Cultures for me, there are some different points. You can see culture as how the people live in the country, how they eat, how they go outside, how they wear their clothes. Culture is not only the language, also the meat, what they eat, typical foods. This is also for me culture. Maybe in Turkey, in Islamic countries, culture is also the religion, mosques. But in European, you can't find any mosque, I think. In countries like Turkey, you can find mosques or different foods, different people. That's for me.
First question, how would you define culture?
Culture is from a country, like manner. Culture takes from different many generations. For example, in Turkey, our culture is really old. For example, the oldest one is Nazareth for me. Nazareth is about 2,000 years ago, and it's like a blue eye, and it protects someone from bad views. And culture is, like I said, the old thing, and culture in our generation we just have culture from many years ago, like 20, 50, 100, 2,000 years ago. And culture is really important. Every country has to identify itself with the culture and protect the culture. And culture is really important.
Our first question is, how would you define the word culture? What is culture for you?
Okay, culture, as a culture, it has a huge significance, behind it. And it depends from culture to culture, from countries to countries. For example, I'm from Kosovo, I'm Albanian. We have kind of the same culture with Turkish people because we have same religion. But according to other countries, for example Germany, they have a different culture comparing with us. For example, I will mention something. We as Albanians, we usually drink raki. Turkish people drink most of the time tea or chai. Raki too, but most of the time chai. But in Germany, German people, we know them as beer drinkings. So they drink beer so much.
First question, what does culture mean for you?
I would say every country has their own culture, and I think it's defined by their history and their traditions.
Have you ever been in Germany, and what are the biggest differences between the German and the Turkish people?
I was two times in Germany because my uncle lives in Germany, and I see a difference between the people there. Here the people are friendly. They say maybe in the bus they stand up if an older woman comes inside, but in Germany everybody's just sitting, and I think here are the people warmer. The atmosphere is better than in Germany. And life is there a little bit boring because after o'clock on Sunday every shops are closed, and in Turkey you can find every time everything.
Have you ever been in Germany, and what are the biggest differences between the German and the Turkish people?
Okay, first of all, I've never been in Germany, but I'm planning to be there. I'm planning to do my internship there, and I hope I can do it. And about I met so many Germans here in Istanbul. The biggest difference is because of the time. It's the time. German people are so strict all the time. Turkish people are not. German people, if you say German people come at 7 or come at 5, they will be exactly on the 5. They'll be exactly on the time. But Turkish people, you will wait for them at least 30 minutes or maybe an hour.
Our second question is, have you ever been in Germany before, and what do you think are differences between Turkish people and German people?
I was never been in Germany first, and second, I have relatives there. They come every year to us for vacation. And differences, I would say, Germans are more structured than Turkish people, and the Turkish, I think, they are more lively than Germans.
So next question. Can you name some stereotypes about other countries? First, for example, Germany, Turkey, and then some other.
Germany, I have there my cousins also. If you said you meet us at 12 o'clock, they came at 12 o'clock. I think German people are punctual. Yeah, we saw that also in films and so on. The Turkish people are a little bit more relaxed than in Germany, I think. Yeah, they start a job, but they need more time to end the job, like in Germany, not like in Germany.
Next question. Can you name some stereotypes about Germany or Turkey or some other countries?
Yes. We begin with the biggest, USA. And USA is the state, the stereotype is like you can do everything what you want. And for example, Paris is like croissant and coffee. And Germany is famous for his I don't know the word, but they work hard and they like I said before, they have a structure, they work hard and they are famous for this.
Can you name us some stereotypes about countries? Like you said, in Germany they are drinking beer. What are the stereotypes about other countries like USA or Turkey maybe?
Yeah, Germans drinking beers, Turkey drinking tea, Austrians beer too. That's it.
Question. Can you name me some stereotypes about, for example, Germany, Turkey, or other countries?
I would say about us Turkish people, we are drinking much tea. The Germans beer, we say here bira. Italy, I would say they eat much pizza and spaghetti. The Russians vodka, of course. The Americans have the fattest people, I've heard. And about the Spanish, they have the hottest girl.
Final question. As you know, gestures, as are usual in Turkey, have maybe in another country another meaning. Okay? So have you ever been in the situation that you use the Turkish gestures and the other side misunderstood it?
Yes. For example, we as Albanians, we use like that. We say no, and in Turkish, this one is yes. So when I came first here, I didn't know that much Turkish. Now I'm learning some things. And when they ask me something, are we going out or something like that, I said no. They mean for less, yes. So this one was one of the misunderstood between gestures.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you all enjoyed it and see you again in Germany.